-1. So initially inachukua 0 and 1, na tukiangalia hapa 0 and 1 hakuna root, so let me choose between 2 and 3. So I'll check my A to be 2 and 3 to and B to be 3, -1 and 1. So our root inafaa kuwa hapo katikati. So nikizoom hapa tupate 2.41 2.41 2.41 2.412. Ukizunguka kabisa utapata exactly the same answer, 2.412136. I'm out of here, but you get the idea. You get the idea. So the same, tukijaribu na hii you get the same, you get the same thing. So that's how you can implement your thing in Bash or any programming language. I provided that there was something. The demonstration I sent the other time, the last time, there's something very interesting actually. Remote. In this script, remote automate,